Hey everyone, super quick lesson on how to get started on your ukulele in a couple minutes. We'll start with a ukulele. We'll start with the body. We look at it, we have 4 strings. This is the bridge, the neck. There's the headstock. There's the fretboard. This is called the rosette, sound hole. 4 strings, we count them from the bottom up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Tuning is E, A, C, G. Here are your frets. Fret 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Fingers are 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to play first finger in the first fret, using your thumb to apply the pressure on the back. And you want to make sure you have a little bit of a space in between there. 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to show you an exercise that you can practice. Play your first string open, first string, first fret, first finger, first string, second fret, third, pinky, 4, 3, 2, 1, open. Again. You can play it on every string, so string 2, string 3, string 4. Called Walk the Board, the fretboard here. I'm going to teach you chords in the key of C. C chord, third finger, third fret, strumming all the strings. A minor, only one finger, second fret, fourth string. Leave that finger on and add the first finger, first fret. That's an F. And now we're going to play a G. 1, 2, 3. You're in the second fret, and then add your third finger to the third fret. So now we're going to play them all together using 4 strums per chord. So we're going to start on C. 1, 2, ready, and C. A minor. F. G. Okay, that's a quick beginner guide on how to get started and playing chords in the key of C.